Welcome back, everybody, and welcome to a brand new video. Today we got Kyle, and huge props for Kyle, especially for him coming home from Texas. He's not producing any content out there, but you know. But no,
COVID laws, man.
Super happy to have him back, and today he's actually bringing me out on his dad's boat. This is the man, the myth, the legend. Introduce yourself.
My name is Connor Hogan.
That's a great intro, bro.
My little brother, co-captain of the boat, you know.
Yeah, so we are on the boat today. Gonna see what we can catch. We're in the front of the cabin right now, but yeah, we don't know what we're going for. So we brought clams, we got squid, we got a bunch of different lures that we're gonna try. If there's anything top water, then we got a few poppers, we got some swim baits. So we're gonna give everything a try. This is my first time where I'm going out without actually a charter boat or people telling me what to do. So it's gonna be interesting, and I'm super excited. So we're gonna be on the boat, and then once we get back to the dock, what did you say? We can do possible striper and stuff like that?
Yeah, so over by the pier where the boat stock is, there's striper over there, there's bluefish over there, so hopefully we can get some top water action.
That's where the popper would work, in the swim baits.
So hopefully, we got swim baits in the popper, so hopefully over there by the docks we'll get some top water action, and hopefully we'll crush them.
Yeah, so you guys are about to see what we're about to do right here, and let's get on it. What'd you get? Oh, it's a little dogfish.
I got a shot.
Yep.
Are you serious?
Yeah. Here, you need my pliers? You want to grab those? Yeah, I got it.
It looks so crazy. It is a shark. You're not going to be able to get pictures of it?
Not yet. Relax, dude. I know, that's what I'm trying to avoid. Huh? Oh, the ones are in the top, the main compartment. That's cool though. You heard it. No, sorry, like the, not computer pocket.
Yeah, we can use these.
Yep.
Turn towards me. Oh, I got him bad.
No, you hooked them great. He's gonna start freaking, so.
More great music from Southern New England's Cat
just
Country
fucking cut the hook.
98.1.
No, you got the hook. You want to switch hands? Grab the pliers. Here, grab the pliers.
These?
Yeah, and I'll grab the hook. Yeah, I know.
Yeah, they are.
You got him? I'm sorry, buddy.
I know, it hurts.
He's like, all right, I'm done. All in here. You and me both. There we go.
There you go, grab the end.
No, just let him
You don't want to take a picture? Let go of it, let go of it.
Come on, let's go. Oh, it's not.
Dude, you gotta pull it, dude. You gotta pull the bottom. This, up.
Oh, okay, I got you.
Yeah.
And he's good. Sweet.
I got a ton of
You got it on video?
Yeah. Oh, you can feel so much better with this one, dude.
See, Robin?
That one too.
things are awful.
Might as well just kill this thing, right? Relax, buddy.
You can hear it fucking.
Hi, my name is Anne Marie, and I'm from Tiverton, and I've got my cat country on.
Want to take a photo of it?
Yeah.
I got. Hold on.
Things like riveting.
Got it. I'll forward it over to you.
Very poisonous.
Messenger?
Huh?
Do I have you on Messenger?
Yes.
Hey, send that to Mark too. Mark, I don't think Mark's ever seen a sea robin. I've never caught one with him. That's the first time I've ever seen one.
Very poisonous fish.
Very poisonous?
Yes. Yep. Go. Go, Connor. Oh, you gotta be kidding me.
What?
It wasn't recording right there.
What is it?
Oh!
It's a little bait fish. It's
That's
Caught another fish.
okay, alright. It's all good.
Still in the tackle.
Want to take a photo?
Beautiful fish, yeah.
And then it closed.
I know.
That's not what it
No, I think this is. I don't know what this is. I don't know.
Take a picture. Maybe my dad might know.
Wild, cool fish though.
Oh, yeah.
You see him come back out and jump in?
Kind of. I gave you the rod and boom, you get.
Thanks for the fish.
Absolutely wrong.
Sweet, thank you.
Or on oldnavy.com or buy online and pick up in-store with contactless curbside pickup for safe and easy shopping.
Fish on.
21 for $9.29.
And it is oysters.
Your computer.
Oh my God, that's
Why
crazy.
waste your time? Just bring it to A Computer Genius in Route 6 in Durban.
That's wild.
Specializing in Apple computers.
Yep.
Able to repair.
Oh, he's a big one. He's fighting. Oh, oh my God. It's a big one though. Bring it my way.
Oh, you lost the squid.
Open it up. Yeah.
We're on a few fish, not so many. So right now we're actually heading back to the dock and we're gonna see what we can grab over there. I want to try and get a bluefish real bad.
I'm looking for striper, man. I was just in the Cape like a week ago, and I was with my father, and we were pushing for striper and fucking anything, dude. So we didn't get nothing. The Cape was dead.
So we're gonna see what we can get. There was one fish, I'm gonna look it up. Hopefully I can say between the time this video is over. I don't know exactly what I got. It was a little fish, very colorful, but I don't specifically know what it was. Bunch of sea robins. Kyle got a, why can't I think of the name?
Dogfish.
Dogfish. But that was the best fish of the day so far. So we're gonna see what we can get back at the dock. And yeah, so far this has been great. It's been a fun time. We're just throwing back a few beers and having a great time. So thanks guys for watching. Let's get back to the dock. Welcome everybody. Check out that view, very nice. You say a seal?
Yeah.
Why, have you seen a seal over here before?
Yeah, my mom has.
Really? Oh my god. Dang, dude.
It's holding on for dear life.
It's holding on for dear life, brother. Let's get it. We're on someone's boat right now. I don't know. They know Kyle's dad. Pretty cool. This thing is so fast. That would have been a nice deck to fish off of. Check out these boats. Dude, these are literally like yachts.
This one's nice too.
Yeah, dude, you hook up to a fish, just balance yourself on that pole. Shoo! Shoo! Oh man, that deck would be nice. That's the boat we're on. Thing is so nice. Thing is so fast. I need a boat. That would be so dope. A bass boat though. I don't need anything fancy like this. Even this thing is so sweet. The sailboat and stuff. But
It's so straight, like so succulent straight. That's
you're getting way too close. Dude, but tell me not, a boat like this would be so nice.
Oh, tell me about it.
Jace. Oh, Jace. Jace, open the cabinet in there and see what the tank is.
Believe it, bro.
I'll give you a little.
I can't put that in.
Oops. Hey, just cut that.
I'll probably just leave it.
Hey, you wanna watch me go swimming? Nah, bye.
You know how dirty this water is now? With that thing right there?
Hey, look around, dude. We might see some Snickers bars floating around.
I don't even know what we're doing.
You want some Snickers? They're floating around over there. I got some nuts. I got some kids.
Shoo! Put them on in there, brother. Alright, on our way back. Beautiful skies. Phew.
It's nice and dark out.
No, on the phone, dude. It looks really good.
Beautiful sky.